Welcome back to Artium Carnatic with me, Bhavya Tumuluru, and today we are going to explore a topic that many aspiring singers want to know more about: being able to sustain long notes. For example, Kalinga Narthana Thillana, very famously sung by Artium's Carnatic faculty head Aruna Sairam Garu, where there are many words and phrases and need a lot of breath control to sing. Tam tim tarana tam tadigina tum tam tim tarana tam dhittagida dhrigutagida dhrigutagida tadigina tum tam tim tarana tam yamuna tadaka pankeruha pada sari sa sadalaya layata sahasa mohita jagarita tam tim tarana tam dhinata kita tam tim tarana tam dhinata kita tam tim taran dhinata kita tam tim taran dhinata kita tam tim taran dhinata kita tam dhinata kita tam dhinata kita tam. Another example is Thaye Yashoda, where the swaras in the last part tend to go very fast with a chance where you may feel breathless. Sa sari sari sa sat sari sada mada mada ni sa ni gari re sada ni sari sari sa 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 ni sari sa ni re sa ni da da ni da da ri da da ga gari ni ri ga ri ga gari ri ni da da ga gari ri sa ri da ri sa ni sari sa ni sari sa ni sari sa ni re sa da ma da ni da da ni da da ri sa ga re sa ni da ni da sa ni da ma da ni sa ga re sa sa ni da ga re sa ni da pa da ni da pa ma pa da ma da pa ma ga re sa ri ga ma pa da pa ma ga ma da da ni sa re ga ma pa ma pa da ni sa ni ga ni da ma ga ni re ga ma da ni da ma re ga ma da ni re ma ga ni ma da ni re ga ma pa ma ga ma pa. So now, to increase your lung capacity and to ace these songs with a lot of ease, let us try a simple sustaining exercise which, as Carnatic singers, you should incorporate in your daily practice. It's very simple, where you take sa pa sa and sing it in shruti for as long as your lungs allow you to do so. Sa As a beginner, you may start easy and not push yourself, but as you progress in your learning journey, time yourself and see how long you are able to sustain these notes. For example, today you can sing sa for 8 seconds, try to increase to 9 tomorrow, and so on and so forth. By doing so, you will notice a gradual improvement in your breath capacity, making it easier for you to sing complex compositions with a lot more ease. Start your daily practice with this exercise and let me know in the comments how you feel about it. See you in the next video. Until then, keep practicing, keep singing, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.